Welcome to Passive Profit Plan. Today's video is about mobile affiliate marketing reaching customers on the go. In today's digital age, mobile devices have become an integral part of our lives, and as affiliate marketers, it's crucial to adapt and optimize our strategies to reach customers on the go. In this video, we'll explore the world of mobile affiliate marketing and share effective tactics to connect with your mobile audience. Let's dive in. The first step to successful mobile affiliate marketing is to ensure your website and landing pages are mobile-friendly. With the majority of internet users accessing content through their smartphones and tablets, it's essential to provide a seamless and user-friendly experience across all devices. Optimize your website's design, layout, and loading speed for mobile devices. Ensure your content is easy to read, buttons are clickable, and forms are user-friendly. A mobile-friendly website is the foundation for reaching customers on the go. Next, leverage the power of mobile apps to expand your reach. With millions of apps available, partnering with relevant apps in your niche can expose your affiliate promotions to a vast mobile audience. Identify popular apps that align with your target audience and explore potential partnership opportunities. This can include app sponsorships, in-app advertisements, or even developing your own affiliate marketing app to engage with your mobile audience directly. Mobile search optimization is another critical aspect of mobile affiliate marketing. With voice search and location-based searches becoming increasingly prevalent, it's essential to optimize your content for mobile search engines. Research relevant keywords and phrases that are frequently used in mobile searches. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your content, titles, meta descriptions, and image alt tags. By optimizing for mobile search, you increase your visibility and reach customers precisely when they need your recommendations. Social media platforms are integral to mobile affiliate marketing success. Mobile users spend a significant amount of time on social media apps, making them a prime opportunity for reaching and engaging with your target audience. Create compelling and shareable content on social media platforms, such as product reviews, tutorials, and promotions. Encourage your followers to engage with your content through likes, comments, and shares. Utilize relevant hashtags and collaborate with influencers to expand your reach further. Personalization is key in mobile affiliate marketing. Tailor your affiliate promotions to suit the preferences and behaviors of your mobile audience. Leverage data analytics and user insights to understand their mobile usage patterns and deliver targeted and relevant content. Send personalized push notifications, emails, or SMS messages to your mobile subscribers, offering exclusive deals or relevant product recommendations. By personalizing your communication, you enhance the user experience and increase the likelihood of conversions. Congratulations! You've learned valuable strategies for mobile affiliate marketing. By ensuring your website is mobile-friendly, leveraging mobile apps, optimizing for mobile search, utilizing social media, and personalizing your marketing efforts, you can effectively reach customers on the go and maximize your affiliate income. Let's conquer the world of mobile affiliate marketing together. If you want to start making awesome videos like this one just by adding text and generating fully customized videos with a few clicks of a button, there is a link in the description to join Pictory so you can start creating awesome videos instantly with a free trial. Thanks for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in your affiliate marketing journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others.